name is John Romano. I practice at Romano Law Group out of West Palm Beach, Florida. The reason I chose HMR is really the what I would call the product itself, or the service itself, was something where my clients had a need for funding where we could not get it elsewhere to where it was satisfactory. And HMR was responsive. HMR had professionals in the know. So it wasn't like we had to reinvent the wheel and explain everything to them. They knew how the process works. They knew the procedure. They knew the systems. They knew the medical system. They knew the legal system. And it worked out just to perfection, where they would come in and help these clients. And then as we began to work with HMR on one case after another, it even got better, and it was wonderful for the clients and the results in the case. When I'm asked in my dealings with HMR, have there been other funding companies or competitors of HMR who have come to us? Specifically in this area of non-recourse funding, and I'm talking about funds which are made available to pay for medical care and treatment, the answer is yes. There are a number of competitor-type companies out there. In my view, they're not competitors because they're not even close to the level of understanding the medical system and the legal system like the professionals at HMR. And it takes about 30 seconds in a discussion with someone to understand if he or she really gets the picture as to what is happening in these cases, what the needs are for us in a law firm as to what we need, what the needs are for the client, what the needs will ultimately be perhaps for the judge, the jury, and others. And to me, they don't have a competitor when it comes to funding the payments for medical care and treatment. I would strongly recommend HMR to any plaintiff's trial lawyer, people representing plaintiffs in personal injury cases, especially where it's a more catastrophic injury, traumatic brain injury, paralysis, stroke, because HMR will get on the case quickly. I'm dealing with professionals who understand what's going on, and they move rapidly to get the job done. If anyone calls me and asks me whether or not they'd be doing business with HMR, and by the way, I do get those calls a lot, the answer is not only yes, it's hell yes. HMR has always been totally straightforward with us in all of our dealings. And if there's ever any issue that comes up, it's like they're instantly on the telephone with me to say there's an issue here or an issue there, and they quickly try to figure out how can we identify these issues, work through them so that we can move forward with the client. And that's what I want. There's nothing else I can ask for. That's what I want. That's what HMR gives us.